back with one more video on Vedic Maths, how to find the squares of number near to the bases 150 very quickly. Okay, we have already learned the base method 100 and base 50 method too. We are using that. I am writing the answers directly. For example, 91 square, 92 square, 93 square, 93 square. We can write the answers directly. Hope you are remembering how to solve or how to multiply two numbers using base 100 method, isn't it? 91 is 9 less than 100, so 9 square 81 is the first answer. For second answer, subtract 9 from 81, that is 82. So the final answer is 8281. Again, 92 is 8 less than 100, so 8 8s are 64. Second step, subtract 8 from 92, that is 84. So the final answer is 8464. 93 square. 93 is 7 less than 100, so 7 7s are 49, and 93 minus 7, that is 86. Isn't it very easy? We are using base 100 method here. If the numbers are above the bases, that is 101, 102, 103, 104 squares, then how can we write the answer? 101 is 1 greater than square, 1 greater than 100. So 1 square. What is 1 square? 1. So write 0 1. Always on the right side 2 digits. For left side, what is the answer? 101 plus 1, that is 102. So the final answer is 10201. Next, 2 square. 2 square is 4, so write 04. Now 102 plus 2, that is 104. So the final answer is 10404. Now 103 square. 3 square is 9, so write 09. And 103 plus 3, that is 106. Isn't it very quick? Now 104 square. 4 square is 16, write it as 16 itself. And 104 plus 4, that is 108. So the final answer is 10816. We can extend it to any extension. It is easy up to 109. 109 square. What is 9 greater than 100? That is 81. And 109 plus 9. 9 2s are 18. So 11881 is the final answer. So in this way we can write the answers or write the squares of number near to 100 very quickly. Hope it is clear to you. First of all, you must clear with the concept of base 100 method. If you are watching my video first time, then watch part 3 and part 4. Okay. Now how can we use to find the squares of number near to 50? Squares of numbers near to 50 means 41 square, 42 square, 44 square, 48 square, etc. and 51 square, 53 square, 55 you already know, 54 square, 58 square, etc. You must be clear with the concept of base 50 method. 41 is 9 less than 50. That side is unaffected. So we can write the answer directly. 9 square as 81. Left side, 41 minus 9. What is that? 41 minus 9 is 32. Divide 32 by 2. The final answer is 1681. Left side, divide the number by 2. Now 42 is 8 less than 50. So 8 8s are 64. Now 42 minus 8. What is that? 34. Half of 34 is 17. So the final answer is 1764. 44 square. 6 less than 50. 6 6 are 36. That part is unaffected. For the left side, 44 minus 6. What is that? 44 minus 6, 38. 38 upon 2. 19 twos are 38. 48 square. 48 is 2 less than 50. So 2 square 4. Now 48 minus 2, that is 46. Half of 46 is 23. So the final answer is 2304. Isn't it very quick? Now 51 square, 53 square, etc. 51 is 1 greater than 100. So 1 square, that is 0, 1. That part is unaffected. For the left side, 51 plus 1, that is 52. Half of 52 is 26. So the final answer is 2601. 53 square. 3 square is 9. Write it as 09. 53 is 3 greater than 50. So 53 plus 3, 56. Half of 56 is 28. Half of 56 is 28. So the final answer is 2809. 54 square. 4 square is 16. 54 plus 4, that is 58. Half of 58 is 29. So the final answer is 2916. 58 square. 8 8s are 64. 58 plus 8. 66. 58 plus 8. 66. 66 upon 2 is 33. So the final answer is 3364. Isn't it very quick? Okay. This is nothing but base 50 method. First of all, practice base 50 thoroughly. Then it will be easy for you. Some questions are given here for practice. Hope all of you are enjoying doing Vedic maths. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any doubt regarding these questions, comment below. I will be back with more videos on Vedic maths. If you like my videos, like, share and subscribe.